if you are trying to log into your Instagram account after a very long time and you don't have access to the phone number and the email ID which you have used in order to create this account, but still you have to log in because you have something important. So yeah, stick to the video. I will teach you how you can log in. So first you need to tap this button called forgotten password. Tap it and you need to type the username, but at least you have to remember the username. So first you need to type the username. This is my username. You need to type your username which you want to recover, and then after that it will, you see, it will try that want to send you something to the email or the phone number. But as you don't have your email and phone number, you need to tap this button. Can't reset your password. Tap this. Now from here you need to type again, try another way, this button. So now it will ask, say, what happened to your account. Just you type the one. I am typing this, forgot my password. So it may be, for you it may be a different option, but I'm typing this, and then press the next button. Now if you have your photo on your account, as you can see, it's asking your selfie. So please take a selfie video to confirm your confirm the account. So if you have your photo uploaded on your Instagram account, you can choose this option, so first one. But if you don't have any photo, if you don't have any photo and you want to still recover your account, just tap this and press the next button. Now it will ask, it will show you bunch of options. You just need to tap this, recover my Instagram password. Now from here tap this no button, and from here tap others. Now you need to explain to Instagram team what happened to your account. You have lost access to your email ID, your password, your phone number, and then you need to enter the new phone number which you want to replace the your old phone number. So you need to type the new phone number here, and after that you need to explain the team that you have forgotten your password. And after explaining them, you need to tap the submit button, and within 24 hours they will reach out to you through email and your problem will be solved. So yeah, that's how you recover your account if you don't have your email and phone number. Thanks for watching.